Hi, I'm Michelle Koenig, one of the Cosmetic RNs here at Trillium Creek Dermatology. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite services that we offer, which is Juvéderm filler. Juvéderm filler is a hyaluronic acid-based filler, which is naturally occurring in our body. It's a great option to help restore areas of depletion and help lift areas. So when we were younger, a lot of our volume was right in the middle of our face, and as we get older, that just kind of shifts down. Filler is a great option to lift that volume that now is on the lower face back to the mid face where it used to be when we were younger. Filler is also great to enhance the lips, which is very popular for the younger patients. Patients can expect the filler results to last about 12 to 24 months, and it just breaks down naturally. As it breaks down, our body is producing its own collagen to help retain the fullness. It's a great option to help stimulate your own collagen. It's very natural looking as well. During your filler appointment, we do start with topical numbing cream, which makes the injection really tolerable. And then it's awesome because you do see immediate results after the injections are complete. If you're interested in learning more about filler, visit us at our website, tcohio.com.